Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. One of the great days we can say, so this market, number one, after so many trading sessions, I think after nearly 10 trading sessions, today is the first day the Nifty did not move more than 200 point up or down from intraday low to high or high to low or from yesterday's closing level. So this is just a consolidation. Earlier I mentioned that usually when there is a very big green candle, the following day there will be some kind of a green tick. Even in 2019, the Nirmala candle, which was the biggest green candle, the following day there was some extended rally. But people thought, so today, at least there will be some kind of a rally or follow-on buying. In fact, that has actually happened. And today, I think Bank Nifty on a closing basis, it has closed at all-time high. But what has happened? A dramatic thing in IT stocks. Yesterday, US markets, the Infosys was down, but I didn't think very seriously. Later, I was told that all the SaaS companies, that means software as services. So those companies came under severe selling pressure in US. Say, for example, there is one Indian company called Freshworks, which is listed in US. So that stock was down by 10%. Why? The reason is simple. There is a company that is introducing a new AI technology. The company is Anthropic, is the name of the company. So they are introducing the AI, which will replace, the jobs done by these SaaS companies. So a new technology is coming, and similar to this, few months before, suddenly all the chip companies fell in US, and the reason stated that, in China, there is a company called DeepSeek company. So they are creating artificial intelligence software, which can work on a, not so advanced chips. The demand for advanced chips has shot up. So that is the reason why a stock like Nvidia became number one stock in the world. So when this Chinese technology came in, so it was considered as a disruptor. And then, stocks like Nvidia has fallen very big. I think that has fallen about 25-30%, but not in a single day, but over a period of time. So, but the thing is, what has happened after a few months, things settled. And now nobody is talking about DeepSeek. The same way now, people are talking of Anthropic. So that is disrupting SaaS companies. But if SaaS companies are being disrupted, that we can understand. But in India, whether it's of TCS or Infosys or Wipro or HCL Technology, they are not SaaS companies. They are only service companies. So there is no reason for this kind of hammering. Infosys, very rarely it makes a big move. It makes big move after the results. And today I told you, the biggest green candle, it was in 2009, but everybody expected after the budget. But what happened yesterday, the big green candle, nobody expected. The same way, Infosys is expected to make a big move after the results, so that everybody knows. But today it has fallen close to 9%, 9+%. At some point of time, so the bears were expecting a lower circuit in Infosys. All these things happening, without any notice, without anybody expecting it. So I think today's Indian market's reaction to IT stocks seems to be, a knee-jerk reaction. So, this kind of selling is not warranted. So those long-term investors, they will come in to buy. And I tell you, if any stock, falling 10%, 15%, 20%, there are a lot of people who come and buy those stocks at the lower levels with the margin trade funding, MTF. And one day I remember, one Indian fighter jet crashed in Dubai. So the next day, Hindustan Aeronautics fell like anything in India. And then, if I'm not wrong, that was the stock having the highest amount by through margin trade funding facility. Then, recently I checked silver ETF, Reliance Industries, Reliance Jio, Mazagon Dock. So these are the stocks that people have bought, using the margin funding. So what happens, in margin trade funding, so the people pay about 9-10% interest when the stock fall 9-10%. So they think that even if the market recovers 1 year time, so they can get the money that they are paying as an interest. So this is not a recommendation for you to go and buy the stocks using MTF facility. Understand from now onwards, the interest that you are paying to the companies in MTF facility, so that cannot be shown as an expense. It is an expense, but you cannot show it as an expense. So that is a new budget rule this year. So the same way, probably at the lowest level, inching 9-10%, people might have bought. So we need to keep tracking this MTF data for the next few days to see if there is any buying is happening in Infosys. The fact is that today, IT stocks have fallen 6% and Infosys an index heavyweight that alone contributed for more than 100 point for fall in Nifty. Put together, the 5 IT stocks contributed more than 200 point for Nifty on the downside. But despite that, the Nifty closed flat. In fact, in the last half an hour, there was some sudden selling. So Nifty has fallen about 80-90 points in the last half an hour. So otherwise, Nifty would have closed 60-70 point higher. And not only that, if not for these IT stocks, Nifty would have closed decisively above 25,900. Why 25,900 is very, very important? As I told you, had the Nifty closed above 25,900, so this market would have become long. So one day, STT hike, market crashes. Next day, US trade deal, market shoots up. Next day, IT stocks falling 6%, market comes down. So this volatility continues, but the volatility index has gone down significantly. So it's going to be interesting to see. Yesterday, FIIs were net buyers for about 5,000 crores. So that is one of the biggest buy by FIIs. So whether they changed their mindset, will they continue to buy? So we may have to wait for next 2 or 3 trading sessions to monitor their data. So if they continue to buy, if Nifty closes about 25,900, so technically this market can become a long. And looking at the open interest, I think that now the markets are started stabilizing. People are taking 25,800 short straddle. The combined premium is about 300 points. So that indicates that Nifty will have a good support at 25,500 and good resistance at 26,100 for the next 4 trading sessions. That is the next Tuesday weekly expiry. So far, things are looking okay. So, although had the STT not increased in the budget, I think by this time Nifty would have crossed all-time high. And in fact, that was my view prior to the budget. So after the budget, I had to change my view. So let us see. So some interesting days are ahead. And don't get panic if the prices have come down in ITC, in futures and options. So the prices are getting adjusted for the 6 rupee 50 paise dividend. So accordingly, strikes and prices would have changed. So there is nothing to worry. Why I mentioned about ITC, I know a lot of people, based on the recommendation from one Tamil Nadu financial influencer, a lot of people have a lot of shares in ITC because that's a dividend play. Otherwise, so rely on banks. So the bank Nifty is the one that is going to lead the markets again. So let us hope IT stocks stabilize from tomorrow. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.